Namaste to everyone. I am Cadet Supreet. Today I am going to show you how to register for Atal Marathon. For this you have to go to the message sent by a respected sir. So this is the message. We have to click on the respected link. The page opens. Here if you want to refer the video you can also. This is the video, YouTube video. They have given the themes through which you can make the innovations, such as themes such as education. In this, you can help the poor people by inventing something for the people who don't have any accessories such as mobiles, laptops, TVs, etc. You can also invent which can help the people to be more interactive in this online platform. In second one theme, there is energy and transportation. So in this you can invent something which can people go from the far from the accidents for the riders and drivers. In second point you can also invent something which can make the people produce less amount of carbon dioxide or from their vehicles. In third theme there is health and nutrition. Here you can invent something which can cure diseases such as diabetes, anemia, tuberculosis, malaria, typhoid and others. You can also invent something such as which can cure the normal and daily disease such as malnutrition, obesity. In social inclusion, you can also invent something which can be sustainable model for financial inclusion which help India to get closer to the goal of no poverty by providing accessible and affordable financial services to all. Innovate to create solution to build inclusivity in society in terms of languages and cultures so that localized access can be made possible for information related to education, financial literacy and government policies or schemes. Or else you can also invent other ideas which you get which can help the people socially. So here is the participation guidelines. You can go through this. After reading all these terms and conditions, you can submit your project here by clicking submit your ideas. So you have to log in with your Gmail account or mobile OTP. So I am pausing it here. So after giving the mobile number and OTP, this will occur like this. So we have to select the things. If you have Atal Tinkering Lab in your school, it's asking like this. So we have our lab in our school, Sainik School Vijaypur. So we can give yes. So you can put your Atal ID, unique ID, which will be given by your sir. You can ask our sir. Here after giving this, we can give our school name, then we can give our state and district. And we can put our basic details such as school name. After this we can put our name, then gender, then email ID, and mobile numbers. Then finally you can also, if you want, you can put your alternate contact email ID and phone number. And you can give your team you should make your team, and you can give your team name and your team size. Maximum is 3, minimum is 2. So if you can make, and you should give the details of those 3 also. Then it may ask some simple general questions. So after giving that, you should give your teacher in charge details, such as if you are making any project, and you should give your project's teacher's in charge details, such as his name, his gender, and his email ID and mobile number. After giving that, you can submit this, and you can upload your ideas. After uploading, you can submit those ideas. So in this way you can upload your things, and you can upload your innovation and participate and compete in this Atal Marathon. Thank you.